हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम एसएससी में पूछे गए यूनिवर्स एंड सोलार सिस्टम के टॉप 36 इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच इज द लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट इन द सोलार सिस्टम? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज जुपिटर। Second question, which planet is known as the flat planet in the solar system? And the correct answer is Saturn. Third question, the green color of Uranus is due to the presence of which gas? And the answer is methane. Fourth question, which planet is known as the planet on its side? And the answer is Uranus. Fifth question, which of the following planets rotates on its axis in the east to west direction? And the answer is Uranus. Sixth question, how much time does Neptune take to complete one revolution around the sun? And the answer is 165 years. Seventh question, which of the following planets has no satellite? And the answer is both option first and option second, that is Venus and Mercury. Eighth question, which is the smallest satellite in the solar system? And the correct answer is Deimos. Ninth question, which is the largest satellite in the solar system? And the correct answer is Ganymede. 10th question, which is the natural satellite of the Earth? And the answer is Moon. 11th question, Moon is also known by which planet? And the answer is fossil planet. 12th question, the gravitational force of the Moon is what part of the gravitational force of the Earth? And the answer is 1/6. 13th question, what is the total number of satellites of Jupiter? And the answer is 95. 14th question, which is the largest satellite of Saturn? And the answer is Titan. 15th question, which planet has the most satellites in the solar system? And the answer is Saturn. 16th question, what is the study of the origin and evolution of the universe called? And the answer is cosmology. 17th question, what is the galaxy made of? And the answer is all of the above, that is only gas and dust, only stars and planets and moons. 18th question, which is our nearest galaxy? And the correct answer is Andromeda. 19th question, which is the newest known galaxy? And the correct answer is Dwarf Galaxy. 20th question, which of the following group of planets is known as the inner planets? And the correct answer is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. 21st question, which of the following planets is closest to the Sun? And the answer is Mercury. 22nd question, Venus is known by which of the following names? And the answer is evening and morning star. 23rd question, which planet in the solar system is considered to be Earth's twin? And the answer is Venus. 24th question, which is the hottest planet in the solar system? And the correct answer is Venus. 25th question. Which of the following planets has two satellites named Phobos and Deimos? And the correct answer is Mars. 26th question. What is the temperature of the surface of the Sun approximately? And the correct answer is 1000 degrees Celsius. 27th question. How many minutes does the sunlight take to reach the Earth? And the correct answer is 8 minutes 20 seconds. 28th question. Who discovered the solar system? And the answer is Copernicus. 29th question. Which planet is famous for its great red spot? And the answer is Jupiter. 30th question. Which planet has a day longer than its year? And the answer is Venus. 31st question. Which planet's surface is hidden by thick yellow clouds of sulfuric acid? And the answer is Venus. 32nd question. How many planets are there in the solar system? And the answer is 8. 33rd question. Which planet is the hottest due to its thick atmosphere? And the answer is Venus. 34th question. Coldest planet of solar system is? And the answer is Uranus. 35th question. An exploding star in the universe is called? And the answer is supernova. And the last 36th question. Which of the following celestial body is called Sun of Earth? And the answer is Moon. तो ये थे यूनिवर्स एंड सोलार सिस्टम के टॉप 36 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, हु प्रपाउंडेड द लॉ ऑफ प्लैनेटरी मोशन। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।